How to disable password autofill on Google Chrome. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily disable the autofill on Google Chrome. So the first thing you're going to have to do is head over to the website where you want to turn that off. So if I just go ahead and search for a random website, something like facebook.com, and I'm currently logged in, so let me just quickly log out to show you guys how it looks. All right, so once you're on the login page, if you just click on it, it will automatically give you the option to enter your email or username and password. So in order to turn this one off, all you have to do is open up a new tab, tap on the three lines, and then go to settings. Now on the left side, you'll see autofill and passwords. Go to Google Password Manager, and you'll see all of your saved passwords right here. So all you have to do is go to Facebook or any of the site where you want to delete it. So you're going to have to manually delete this. So enter your PIN, password, or whatever it is on your computer, and then click on this delete option. Now your password will be deleted. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.